Nice. This one, Doug, is this one done?
Almost.
This
we
one?
got to put a battery in it, put the headlight in it, and hook the wiring up. And then I've got to get the throttle cable hooked up to the slide, which probably going to have to take the carburetor loose to get the slide to dump down out of there.
Yeah.
And then that'll be about it.
This is the one that you'd seen previously that was here on the bench, powder coated pieces. This thing's almost done and ready to rock and roll. Looking good. Back over at Doug's again for another Wednesday night, bike night. And these guys, Jerry brought over this. Jerry, what do you got here? What is this?
This is a 1972 Suzuki TS 250 Savage. Yeah, dirt bike.
Cool. Yeah.
Did you check the
He
VIN
is
number
changing
and
out
and
the
engine number?
oil pump
I didn't.
right now.
The engine number and VIN number should match on.
So that's what those guys are getting into. Look at this thing.
That's a 2503-32.
Oh, that thing's so good. Yeah, the Z50 that was here last time, Doug sold that. He got rid of that thing, so that's moved on. And tonight I am working on my 50, and I picked up an air filter, air cleaner box, the kit, all that good stuff. So I can put it on the back of my carburetor here, and I can have an air cleaner. That's what we're going to be getting into.
They're expensive. Hell, the foot pegs alone are 50 bucks a piece for the correct foot pegs.
Doug's just going over some of the components that they're hard to find on this particular model. Look at this. This stabilizer is built into this thing.
Yep.
It's a hard piece to find. Look at the head on this. That's crazy. Two spark plugs.
Yep.
One there, one here. Just to back up. Now that's not. You just unplug it and put it in the port here, or could you switch the?
You can unplug it and put it over on the next one.
That's cool. Man, this is cool badging. That's a cool bike. Jerry's getting this fixed up and he's taking it to sell it.
It's even got the baffle in it.
Oh, in the silencer here.
Most of the time the baffles are gone.
Now this thing here?
Yeah.
Right inside here?
Yeah. And this is typical here where the rails broke.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And that piece is missing altogether.
Mm-hmm.
And so, yeah, they're expensive to replace these too. And this is incorrect here. But
was there a badge that went here too that said 250 or something? Or was it just exposed with the wire on it?
I think on this one, it was just exposed.
That's cool.
The 250 is the only place you see the 250 on the 72 is on the left side on the cover.
Okay, here we go. Got my pieces all out, ready to go. Cover, sponge, spring, the intake or whatever, the part that goes to the carburetor, and clamp. Alright, let's put this together and put it on. Alright, got the spring on there, and that's going to prevent the sponge from being sucked into by the carburetor. I'll get the sponge ready. Set that guy in there. Pre-oiled. Okay. Good to go. Then, got the holes here. Then I'll line those up with these holes here. And I'm going to do this with two hands. Alright. There we go. Alright, it's truth time. We're going to take this thing outside for a ride. See how it goes. Got the oil injector all buttoned up.
Long evening with a lot of beer.
He's awful tough on the front fenders.
And I wouldn't guarantee what it looked like in one. Jerry's going to start his 1972 TS 250.
Oh, first kick. All right, here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, looking good. Woohoo! That was good. I hope you got it. I told him to do it on one wheel. That was the wheelie. Cool. All right. Jerry's got his project together and going. Got my air cleaner on. I think I'm pretty close to being wrapped up, just to have something to run and ride with this one. The shift the shift seal, or whatever you would call this, the seal that's on this thing's leaking. I'm gonna get a new one of those and put one of those in. But yeah, other than that, this thing I think is pretty good, ready to rock and roll. All right, guys, thanks for stopping and checking out the videos. Appreciate it. See you all on the next one.